Hello, good morning, students. I am Raman Gupta, and we are continuing the last video in which I discussed something about Francis Bacon. We discussed the life of Bacon, but in this video, we'll study an essay written by him, which is prescribed for our studies, that is, of studies. As the title of the essay suggests itself, it is about studies, its uses, its functions, and everything. Studies serve for all conditions of life. According to the essayist, study is useful in every walk of life, like in retirement, in loneliness, and in business. It is useful. It gives a wider outlook, and a wider outlook may be helpful for us in every walk of life. The different there are different type of books available in the world, and its variety serves different purposes and gives different type of joy and delight. One who studies well, who reads well, can improve his skills, all his skills, like reading, writing, and speaking, and listening. All these skills can be improved by studying. One can use them, one can use its studies by in quoting some words and statements in his discourse. Whenever he gets chance to speak on a particular subject, he can use his previous studies to make that discourse effective. The studies develop our natural gift, that is talent given by God to us. But knowledge which is gathered from books ought to be supplemented by our own experience. This is very important, that the knowledge which is gained by studying different books can be improved by our own experience. Everything that is read, that is studied, it should be examined very carefully, because there are different books for different purposes, and to study, to read them differently can serve different functions, different purposes. In the same way, there are different uses of reading, writing, and speaking. There are different subjects, and these different subjects different subjects serve different purposes according to the author, according to the essayist. History, which is a very important subject, can make men wise, while poetry, literature can make one ingenious. Mathematics is important to make someone keen and penetrating, while sciences make someone subtle and deep. Moral philosophy is not unimportant. It makes one grave and serious, while rhetoric makes one argumentative. It perfects someone to put arguments, to be argumentative. Every kind of mental defect can be corrected by the course of special studies, like absent mindedness, which is a mental defect, can be corrected by studying mathematics. Obtuseness of the intellect can be corrected by the deep study of philosophers' works, particularly the philosophies of Middle Ages. In this way, studies are very important and useful for everyone for our life. And this is all about the essay. Actually, this is the summary of the essay of studies. In the next video, we'll study it in detail. So, thank you, all students. Thank you, and have a nice day.